Now the tailgate on this thing's pretty easy to unlock. All we're going to do is grab from the back here and first off, make sure that the vehicle's unlocked. So you're going to unlock the vehicle first, grab, and drop down. Now, I do recommend getting the tailgate step, especially if you're going to spend any time in the back of this thing. In order to open up the tailgate step, if your vehicle comes equipped with it, there's a little button here. All we're going to do is press the button. We're going to slide this tailgate out, the step, and then literally just going to follow the yellow. So we're going to grab this, bring it up, and up. And as you can see, it's locked into place here, so all we have to do, infinitely easier to get in and out of the vehicle here. So I do recommend getting a tailgate step if you are getting an F-150. Again, only if you're going to be using the box in the back here. In order to close it down, all we're going to do, follow the instructions. So we've got 1, button press down, 2, down, in, and we're just going to lift the step up, slide it back into place. It's that simple. And as you can see here in the back of the vehicle, there isn't a bed liner. You've got a couple different options. You've got a drop-in plastic liner or a spray-in bed liner. You can either get it done from the factory if you're choosing the spray-in liner, or you can do an aftermarket solution, something like Line-X, which also gives you a lifetime warranty.